Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Today we're doing bar scales, right? So we've done numerical scales. Now we're moving on to a bar scale, which is a bit easier, right? Okay, so example of a bar scale here. Can you see how the scale is looking? So they call that a bar. So they just call it a bar scale, which means that it's actually like a small little ruler that they've put onto your map, right? And what it does is it shows you the distances that they are measuring on the map, and the bar scale is equal to something. So we're going to see what happens here, right? Okay, let's look at the example here. Okay, Kelly is a tractor salesman and often travels between the farmers of Louis Trichardt and Musina, right? So we're looking for Louis Trichardt and Musina, right? Use the map and the bar scale to determine the distance as the crow flies that Kelly travels between the two towns, and give your answer in kilometers. Okay, so first of all, they're telling us here, what's important that they're telling us is that there's a bar scale on the map, right? There's not a numerical scale, there's a bar scale. Here's the bar scale here. Okay, so what you have to do is you need a ruler. Okay, so each one, if you take your ruler and you're going to measure this thing here, right? If you're measuring it, you're going to get, just put your ruler on it, you're going to get 2 centimeters, right? So you're getting 2 centimeters is equals to 40 kilometers. Can you see? There's once, if you break it up, there's 1 centimeter here and there's 1 centimeter there. So this scale is a bar scale, and it's telling me that 2 centimeters on my map is representing how much? Is representing 40 kilometers. Okay, so he's going, now when they tell you as the crow flies, right? As the crow flies means the shortest and most direct route from this point to that point. So you're not going to go like this and then go past another town and whatever. You're not going on a holiday, you're going on business. So you're trying to look for a direct route, and you're going to save petrol, right? So, and you want to save time as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler, and we're measuring a direct route. So obviously we're going to take the point from Louis Trichardt, and we're going to take the point to Musina. He wants to go from there to there. So how much is it on the map? 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. Okay, so now if he's going 4 centimeters on the map, we need to know how much is 4 centimeters going to be. Logically, you can see you're going to add another 2 centimeters here, so it'll be another centimeter and another centimeter. So he's actually going to go 80 kilometers. But I just want to use the simple example to show you how we do the calculation for the bar scale. So let's write it out. Okay, so what is happening here? We've got a bar scale. Okay, and the bar scale is telling us, that's the scale, it's got 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters on the map is equals to 40 kilometers. Okay, can you see that? Now I want to go 4 centimeters from Louis Street to Musina, right? I want to go 4 centimeters. So now I need to know how many kilometers am I going to go. Okay, so this is my question mark here. A very simple way to do it is to say what is happening from 2 to 4. I'm multiplying by 2. So what am I going to do from 4 to 40? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to multiply it by 2, and I'm going to get 80 kilometers. Okay, this is a simple question. So I want to use another example to show you how to get the answer. But what is important for you to just understand is what is a bar scale and how easy it is, because it's just centimeters representing a certain amount of kilometers. If you look at this carefully here, you'll see that actually each centimeter on this map is how much? If 2 centimeters is 40 kilometers, 1 centimeter is representing 20 kilometers, right? So it's 20, 40, 60, 80 kilometers. So we're measuring the distance with a ruler. And the bar scale, you have to use your ruler to measure it, and it's going to, or it will be written there for you to show you how many centimeters or millimeters it's using, and how many centimeters you need to travel on the map. And then you're just going to use it to convert it to get the actual distance. So it's the same thing like the numerical scale. Sometimes they're going to tell you to calculate the actual distance, and sometimes they're going to tell you to calculate the map distance. So we're just going to go through a few